Alright, welcome back to Sebeliver YouTube channel once again. So today I am going to be your facilitator. I was going to guide you how to use the calculator to solve the inverse of what a given matrix. Let's start. So we are going to start with what 2 by 2 matrix, and I'm going to guide you throughout what 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 to infinity. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, we are going to turn on our calculator. Then we select from the menu button or the setup button. Then we select 4, which is what? Matrix. Then we select 1. So row 2, column 2. We are done setting our column and the what? And the row. So row 2, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. Alright. So our row 1, column 1 will take 5. Then our row 1, column 2 will take what? 8. Our row 2, column 1 will take 4. Then our row 2, column 2 will take 3. After that, you're going to press AC. After that, you are going to what? Press AC. Then we select from the button beneath the shift, which is the option button. Then we select our mat A. That's where the data is. So that's option number 3. Then we press the inverse button. The inverse button. Then after that, we finally what? Press equal to get our inverse of the given matrix. So we can see that our answer, the inverse of the given matrix that we entered in mat A is negative 3 over 17, 8 over 17, 4 over 17, and negative 5 over 17. Alright, so this is the what? The inverse of the matrix that we entered in mat A. That is what? The inverse of the matrix A. Thank you very much for learning with Sebeliver. You can try and have more on different matrices. Examples like 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on. Have a nice day. Bye bye.